Top 5 Best Benchtop Planers for Woodworking. Number 5. Delta Power Tools 22555513 in Portable Thickness Planer. The Delta 22-555 is a high-performance portable thickness planer with a powerful 15-amp motor, designed to handle even the most demanding jobs. Its 4-column design provides excellent stability for smooth and accurate planing, which is critical for both beginner and advanced woodworkers. One of the key features of the 22-555 is its quick-change knife system, which uses dual-edged disposable knives, allowing for fast replacements without the need for alignment jigs. The adjustable infeed and outfeed tables provide additional support for long workpieces and help minimize snipe. A reversible dust port offers flexibility in collecting chips from either side of the planer, keeping the workspace clean and free of debris. 2 polyurethane feed rollers ensure a no-slip grip on the workpiece, improving the overall finish. This planer can handle stock up to 13 inches wide and 6 inches thick, and its 28 feet per minute feed rate is suitable for high-volume jobs. With its long-standing reputation in the woodworking industry, Delta Power Tools delivers reliability and precision. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the Delta 22-555 offers a solid combination of power, accuracy, and durability. Coming in number 4. Dewalt DW734 Benchtop Planer. The Dewalt DW734 is another powerful entry in Dewalt's planer lineup, featuring a 15-amp, 20,000 RPM motor capable of handling larger, deeper cuts in hardwoods. This model uses a 3-knife cutter head that operates at 10,000 RPM, providing up to 96 cuts per inch for an exceptionally fine finish, making it one of the smoothest performing planers in its class. The reversible, disposable knives offer 30% more life and are quick to change. A 4-column carriage lock reduces the movement that causes snipe, allowing for more precise and consistent cuts. The extra-long infeed and outfeed tables offer 33.5 inch of material support, which is excellent for handling longer boards without requiring additional assistance or modifications. The DW734's material removal gauge and extra-large thickness scale provide accuracy with every pass. Its turret depth stop is designed to make it easy for users to return to frequently used depths, saving time and enhancing overall efficiency. This model is perfect for woodworkers who need precision and power in a portable planer. Coming in number 3. Wen PL1326 Benchtop Thickness Planer. The Wen PL1326 is a versatile benchtop planer that features a spiral cutter head with 26 staggered HSS blades for a smoother finish. Its 15-amp motor delivers 10,000 RPM, while the planer can process boards up to 13 inches wide and 6 inches thick. The 26 feet per minute feed rate makes it efficient for large jobs. This model stands out with its onboard material removal gauge, which provides users with real-time feedback on the cutting depth, ensuring precision during every pass. The heavy-duty cast iron base adds stability, reducing any wobbling or movement during operation. The depth adjustment knob allows users to control the depth, taking off up to 1/8 inch of material per pass. An adjustable dust port keeps the work area clean, while the adjustable infeed and outfeed tables help reduce snipe by providing extra support to the workpiece. Overall, the Wen PL1326 is ideal for both DIYers and professionals looking for affordability, precision, and reliability. Coming in number 2. Craftsman CMEW320 Planer. The Craftsman CMEW320 Planer is designed for efficient material removal from both hard and soft woods. Powered by a 15-amp motor, it boasts a Poly V cutter head drive for maximum stock removal, making it highly effective for dimensioning lumber. One of its standout features is the 2-knife, quick-change cutter head mounted on ball bearings, ensuring smooth operation and long life. The high-carbon steel, double-edged, reversible knives offer durability, extending the life of each blade. A vacuum port provides a cleaner workspace by effectively collecting dust and debris. This planer generates up to 16,000 cuts per minute, thanks to its 8,000 RPM cutter head speed, making it ideal for various woodworking tasks. Whether planing glued-up materials or rough surface wood, the CMEW320 delivers quality results. Its precise adjustment knob and incremental depth control make it user-friendly, especially for hobbyists and professionals working with reclaimed or pallet wood. The brand reliability of Craftsman, combined with its affordability, makes this model a great value. Coming in number 1. Dewalt DW735X Thickness Planer. The Dewalt DW735X is a standout model in the world of benchtop planers, offering versatility and precision for woodworkers. The package includes a 13-inch stationary planer, in-out feed tables with fasteners, extra blades, and a dust hose adapter, although the stand is sold separately. A significant feature of this planer is its 3-knife cutter head, which extends knife life by 30% and simplifies blade changes. The 2-speed gearbox allows users to switch between 96 and 179 cuts per inch, optimizing performance based on the project's demands. It's designed with a fan-assisted chip ejection system that vacuums chips off the cutter head and ejects them, keeping the workspace clean. Durability is a key aspect of the DW735X, with a 19 3/4-inch cast aluminum base, offering twice the rigidity of standard 10-inch bases. An automatic carriage lock helps reduce movement that leads to snipe, and users don't need to engage it manually. The material removal gauge and large thickness scale ensure precision with every pass, while the extra-large turret depth stop allows users to return to frequently used thicknesses with ease. In-feed and out-feed tables, along with an extra set of knives, make this planer a solid choice for both professionals and hobbyists.